Introduce highlight features or overview summary of BAOUFF dirt bike stand. There are features include: fitment, dirt bike lift stand load capacity is 1000 pounds, compatible with most dirt bikes, pit bike, e-dirt bike/edict and so on. Please measure the minimum ground clearance at the bottom of the motorcycle engine to ensure that it is not less than the minimum height of the bracket. Adjustable design, dirt bike lift stand adjustable range, 27 cm or 10.6 inch, to 36 cm or 14.1 inch. Maximum lifting weight is 450 kg or 1000 pounds. Top plate size, 28 cm or 11 inch, x 20.0 cm or 7.87 inch. Widened the tabletop to provide a larger support surface. The adjustable top plate is secured with a lock nut to ensure safety. Hydraulic, by using a hydraulic buffer column, it can prevent the stand from quickly rebounding and causing the bike to flip over at the end of use. Anti-slip design, the top surface of the dirt bike lift stand has a durable rubber pad that can protect the contact area between the motorcycle and the bracket from being bumped. The bottom of the bracket also has 4 anti-slip designs that can maintain stability, prevent sliding. New decal design, designed a new decal according to the brand definition, and included some usage tips. Simple operation, dirt bike lift stand equipped with a handle to lift the motorcycle. One person can complete the operation, and the bracket itself can be easily lifted and placed on the ground, making it very suitable for use in various environments. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.